Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, we will be walking you through the process of installing and running WordPress on Microsoft Azure, which is one of the leading cloud platforms. My name is Raj and I'm delighted to guide you through this tutorial today. Before we dive into the installation process, make sure you have an active Azure account. And if you don't have, you can easily sign up on the Azure portal. And this is the Azure portal sign up link. Here you can sign up for free as well. Once you are logged in, you are ready to get started. As a first step, we will be clicking on the app services. So just click on the app service and we need to create one app service. So here we can see once we are having this option of creating the app service, we can create web application, static web application plus database, and last one is WordPress on Azure app service. We need to click on WordPress on Azure web service. So now we are on the page of create WordPress on app service. And here by default the subscription is already selected. And just to differentiate between the existing resource group, it is recommended you can select or create a new resource group according to the new installation, so that in future if you want to delete it, you can go to one place and delete it very easily. So just click on the create new and type in the resource group name. So in this example, I am giving the name as RKY WordPress RG resource group and clicking OK. And in the region, you can select the nearby region. So I'm in UK, so I'll be selecting the UK location. For example, here I'm writing RKYWP. Accordingly, you can also select site language, admin email, admin username. So here I'm typing the username as admin and one password for admin. Login of the WordPress is needed. So I'm just typing here. So once the admin username and passwords are provided, we can click on review and create. And here on the next screen, we can review the details. And some of the details about the MySQL and some more information about the setup is provided here. We can click on create. And now it will be showing you this page wherein the deployment is in progress. We need to wait for deployment to be completed. Here we can see has created virtual network, subnet resource, and now the private DNS zone is accepted. And after the private DNS zone, it is now working on Azure database for MySQL. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes for deployment to be completed. I am fast forwarding this video. If you are newly registered, you will be getting around $200 amount of credit. Now the deployment is complete. Click on go to resource. And here is the domain. So if I will open this domain in new tab, then we can see it is saying please wait, WordPress is installing. And installation may take up to 5 minutes. Once the installation is completed, we can see the WordPress is now installed. And to open the admin, just copy the URL and add wp-admin at the end. Hit enter. And here you need to provide the username or the email address which you have provided during the installation process. and this is the admin panel, and here you can update your WordPress and you can do a lot more from here. So let me give you one example of adding one post here. So if I'm gonna go to the post and click on add new. So right now on the home page, hello world post is coming. And if I'm gonna say test post, and click on publish, and refresh the page, then here we can see the new post started coming. So everything is working absolutely fine. So this is how you can install WordPress very easily on Azure. And now for some reason, if you want to delete this WordPress installation, then you can follow this process. So simply go to the home page of Azure portal and click on resource groups. And you will remember I was telling you to create a new resource group for WordPress installation, and that was the reason. So I'm going to click on the RKY WordPress resource group because this was the resource group I created for the WordPress installation only. And here, these are the services, and click on delete resource group, and it will say these are the dependent resources will be deleted if I'm going to delete this resource group. So what I need to provide here is the name of the resource group, just to prove that I'm not accidentally deleting it. And now it says deleting resource group RKY WordPress RG. So for installation, it has taken around 5 to 7 minutes. Similarly, for deletion as well, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes. And this WordPress installation will be deleted. After the successful deletion of all the dependent resources, if I will refresh the admin page, here you can see it is not working. And similarly, the home page, if I will refresh, here you can see this URL is no longer valid. So this is all about this video, how to install WordPress on Azure, and if required, how to delete that installation. Thank you for watching this video.